to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What a going, guys, welcome again back to another Let's Go JA Tours, and today we're going to be taking a quick shortcut from Kingston Spring down to Red Hills Road, and we'll be driving through Cassava Peace and Roehampton Drive. So if you like the content, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now relax, drink a rich drive and enjoy the ride. So as we turn onto Cassava Peace Road, to our right is the Kingston Spring Police Station. To our left, we're passing the Kingston Spring Primary and Junior High School. This is a very narrow street, so you have to be very careful when driving on this road. So we're now turning onto Clifton Boulevard. So if we take the left turn, that will take us onto Clifton Terrace, and that will take us to the very famous Church on the Rock. So we're now will be turning right onto Manning Hills Road, and directly in front of us is the community of Whitehall. So if we head straight, that will take us into the community of Havendale. But we'll be taking this left turn, and this will be taking us onto Roehampton Drive. Be turning left, that will help us to continue going down Roehampton Drive. If we are taking the right, that will take us to Roehampton Circle. You might notice to your left some new apartments that are being built up. So that's one set right there, and then if you go down further, you will see another set that is currently being built, and then another set that is being built. In these communities, especially in Roehampton Drive, Havendale, Meadowbrook, you'll see a lot of apartments that are being built. Any homes or lot that are for sale, developers are buying them and building apartments. So we're coming to the end of our video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So we're now at the Red Hills Road. So I'd like to take this time out to thank everybody that has subscribed. I really appreciate your support. See you again on another Let's Go GA tour.